Hi, I'm Lisa McLeod. I am the Member of Provincial Parliament for Nepean, but I'm also a baker at heart. And as you know, I've got an upcoming cookbook called I'd Rather Be Baking Cookies. This is the first volume that is a re-release of one that we did 14 years ago. I am baking cookies today. They are maple chocolate chip cookie and they are big. And I'm going to add some sea salt onto them just when they start to ding. And I think that they're about to ding now. So let's get these gloves on and let's walk on over to my oven and we'll see what we can do here. And here we go. Let's take a look at how good these cookies are. Oh, they're looking good. I made these ones with some whole wheat flour, some local maple syrup from Earl Stanley's Old Maple Lane Farm, lots of chocolate chip cookies, and of course, some tender love that every baker likes to give their cookies. One of the secrets to these cookies, I like to put a little bit of sea salt. And this is Himalayan sea salt. We put a little bit on top. By the way, these cookies were award-winning. They came in second at the Richmond Fair not too long ago, and I'm pretty excited about them. A lot of people think I put the sugar on top, but no, I've got a savory tooth, so that's what we do. Well, I think these cookies are going to be popular. I'm going to give them to my friend Dan Macayo. I've mentioned him in the legislature before. A veteran, he is the honorary colonel of the Cameron Highlanders, our local unit here and local regiment here in Nepean, and giving them to him tonight. You can get these cookies in the next cookbook that's coming out around Christmas time, but keep an eye out for the second edition of the original cookbook that's coming out on September 30th on Amazon. I hope you like the cookies, and I can't wait for you to try them.